Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page been a blessing to you, your word of the day is inner strength. Taurus, it's time to dig deep. You're made of that good stuff, the strong stuff. You may bend, you do not break. You may have had your heart broken. You may have had your whole world fall apart. But everything falls apart for it to come together in a greater, stronger way. You're a stronger being, therefore you can maintain bigger blessings. Glory, God, Spirit, Universe only wants to make your heart sing and your soul glow. So dig deep. Make sure you're fighting hard towards the end of this season and start this new season as a stronger being. And get ready for your blessings. But you have to dig deep. You have to be strong, because that's where the gold is. Nothing moves me from my path of light because I have complete confidence in myself. Please do. Because we do. I realize my innate qualities and abilities, and I know that with God I can do anything. All the power I need is within me. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.